Okay, then a big welcome to Mindwaves Motivation. I'm so happy. I'm so excited to talk to you right now.
Same
So,
here.
thank you. So, let's start. You introduce yourself because right now you are trainer also. So, when you
Yeah.
started your journey and how you have become a trainer. So, just you begin with from the starting of your introduction to your to law of attraction and how you started to practice it and how you become a trainer right now.
Actually, I started my journey when I was in college, and there my father's friend came to my house, and he said me, "Why don't you top this year?" And I had just taken commerce stream. Before that, I have had a science background. So I said to him, "No, uncle, I can't top because the commerce subjects are totally new and challenging for me." So he said, "No, no, you have to top this year." I said, I pondered how could I top, and he gave me a book called The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. And I read that book, and according to those laws I followed, all the rules I followed, and I topped that year.
Wonderful.
And it was an amazing story because एकदम से साइंस बैकग्राउंड से होते हुए एक कॉमर्स स्ट्रीम में एकदम से टॉप करना इट वाज अ चैलेंजिंग फॉर
Yeah,
मी
absolutely
सो
new.
द LOA
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
yeah
Carry on. Yeah, you just carry on.
the
Bolo.
LOA success story started from there and since then मैंने हर एक चीज चाहे वो छोटा से छोटा चीज हो मोबाइल हो या बड़ा सा बड़ा चीज बड़ा घर हो I have attracted from law of attraction only. So this was my story and then I gradually I started with the students who wanted to top in the college, who wanted to top in their academics. So I trained them and I organized a course for 21 days for the students.
So
And it was a boom.
yeah,
It
yeah.
was such a boom because
Yeah, when you started with the students, you yourself was a student that time, or after your education you completed, you started with training with the students.
after my education was completed, after I was married, after I had two kids,
Okay.
one kid was too small and the elder one was a bit old.
Okay.
And so when I started this journey, it was a very nice, sweet journey because everybody got the results. न केवल पढ़ाई में ही उनको फर्स्ट आ रहे थे वो अपना पढ़ाई में अच्छे ला रहे थे मार्क्स बल्कि स्पोर्ट्स में भी एंड पेरेंटल रिलेशनशिप बहुत इम्प्रूव हो गया था उनका तो इट वाज अ वेरी नाइस काइंड ऑफ कोर्स but due to my kids they were too young so I had to give the time to them I had stopped at that time और उनके पेरेंट्स भी मुझे बोल रहे थे कि हमारे लिए भी कोई कोर्स निकालो वी ऑल्सो वांट टू जॉइन सच काइंड ऑफ कोर्स जिसमें कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल हाई हो जाता है so I have launched another course for the elders also now I'm teaching LOA to everybody around me yeah so the success story started like that of law of attraction
Yes, I should congratulate you for you have achieved beginning of this year.
thank you so
Wow,
much
yeah.
thank you
There
yeah
I heard of a story that you were going through a phase of depression yourself, and your daughters helped you to overcome it. That kind of something happened to you.
yeah
Yeah, that story. Please tell us that story when you were going through a bad phase
your
of
voice is not
clear, but you
uh,
can understand now what I'm telling. The
no
story.
you have to repeat
Okay, yeah, sure. The story, the phase of your life you described in Rahul Bhatnagar's program that I heard from you on YouTube, that you were going through a phase of depression or that kind of a negative phase, and your daughter helped you to regain the faith and positivity in LOA and life. So just tell that thing that will inspire us, I think, more.
okay
Yeah.
so it was actually I went into depression because of my brother's death and uh, that time it was very very low stage of my life when I had to suffer the depression and I was not able to practice my LOA at that time. But I had taught my kids LOA, the law of attraction. I had taught my kids, and my kids had, used that technique for 21 days, and they made me come out of my depression. So it was, whenever you are facing some challenging time, you should also teach the other people a law of attraction so that they can help you to come out of that stage. At that moment of time, it is very difficult. The depression disease is such a disease that it is very difficult to remain positive all the time. But if you have helping hands with you, then definitely you can come out of that challenging time also.
That advice is really priceless. That you have told that when you're practicing law of attraction, you should teach that to your family members or to your friends that whenever you need it, they can help you also.
Yes,
So
yes,
that's wonderful.
yes, yes,
That's really
yes,
wonderful.
yes.
So I just wanted to ask you that as a person, you are a positive person, definitely, but you are always a positive person. After the introduction with law of attraction, you just gradually become more positive, or you're basically a positive person since your childhood days.
Since childhood, I was basically a positive child. Always never used to crib on small little things. I never used to ask for little things from my parents. I never used to ask. I used to get it on my own.
Okay.
And moreover, I was very much connected to God, because if you are connected to universe, then universe uh, fulfills your dreams easily and effortlessly. So I was very much connected to God, and I was very happy child, always being happy in every situation you put me in. I'll be very happy. So, but although LOA helped me to remain more positive and encourage the other people, that brings me power. If I encourage some people, if I inspire some people, then it motivates me in return. It gives me the power.
So
That is the thing.
what will be your advice? Like if somebody is not at all positive, if somebody is negative, his or her thought process is always go through a negativity. So what will be your advice to make them positive? Is there any like any any kind of a very shortcut process, or it will be again a long cut process that you have to practice and
It is it is only the thought process by which you can change your negative thoughts into positive thoughts. I encourage the people in my course how to bring your negative thoughts into positive thoughts. And there are some techniques through which, like rubber band technique is there. There is self talk. There are some affirmations which I teach in my paid session, and through which they gain lot of positivity, and they feel happy and positive throughout the day.
yeah, that is the most important thing we should have in
Yes,
our
yes,
life. Yeah, and most of the time it's tough, but it's needed for us.
yes,
So,
yes.
just as a teacher of LOA, what will be your tips, short kind of a tips that you can give to beginners who want to begin this law of attraction practice?
If they are beginners, you have to dream only one dream at a time. Okay. And you have to dream it for 21 days regularly without any gap. And that too at the night and in the morning.
Okay.
Right before going to sleep, 5 minutes before going to sleep. And as soon as you get up in the morning, then you have to do this dreaming. And you have to take a small dream, the smallest dream which can be achievable in your future. That will bring lot of positivity, lot of belief in law of attraction. Once you have the belief in law of attraction, then you can go for a bigger dream, then you can go for another dream also. So this is the tip one must follow. Three things. First, dream only one at a time. Dream for 21 days regularly. Dream at night before going to sleep, and at the morning just before leaving the bed in the morning.
Okay, that's wonderful. So another question that I always think about: is there any limitation in law of attraction? Like some sectors you can't have anything through law of attraction, or difficult or something. Is there a limitation?
There is no limitation in law of attraction as long as you adopt all the laws. If you there are three laws which I have already told. After that 21 days, you have to let go that dream into the universe.
Okay,
You
don't
have to
attach with that.
हाँ बचपन में हम करते थे, विश हमारी हाथ में आती थी, we used to blow it off. So that is the thing, we blow it to the universe. Universe, you fulfill our dream. So this is the thing, the same thing. We have to blow that your dream into the universe so that the universe has the power to fulfill our dream. So the limitations are that if you follow these rules, then everything is possible. You know what? At times there are certain dreams which have action plans, which needs action plans, and there are certain dreams which don't need action plans. For example, I tell you a success story that a few years back somebody asked for 3 lakh rupees from me, and he said he will return it in 3 months, but he did not return it, and we continuously asked him, he didn't return for 2 years. Then I applied this law of attraction into this, and for 21 days I did my law of attraction, and within 3 months he came back on his own and returned me 3 lakh rupees in my hand.
Okay.
So there is no limitation. There only is that you have to follow all the rules and the laws, and then you can attain anything.
Wonderful.
And of course, it should not harm anybody. The main rule is that the thing should not harm anybody. It should be for benefit of every person. It should be beneficial. Then it can be accomplished at any time.
So in law of attraction, through law of attraction, can you achieve something for your near and dear ones, for your spouse or your children or friends? Is that possible?
Yes, definitely. Why not? Everything is possible.
Mhm.
I have attained my life partner through law of attraction.
Acha.
I used
that
to,
story.
yeah.
Tell that story. Yeah. I would love to know that. Please.
Yeah, that's in my college time. I used to just do it for 21 days, and in between my graduation, the proposal came, and I could not deny because the person was just according to me, and I liked that person, and I got married.
Wonderful. That's really so. I thought it was kind of a love marriage, but it was an arranged marriage.
No, it was an arranged marriage, but it was according to my wishes. Yeah, because I didn't want the person to have alcohol or have non-veg and all. I didn't want that thing. So, and the person was.
You are a Punjabi, right? You're a Punjabi.
Yeah, I am a Sardani, but I don't take all these
Wonderful.
things.
I love it. I myself also, I'm a Bengali. Bengalis are like, they love fishes, but I'm a vegetarian. So I love that.
Okay. Okay.
And spread that message.
Nice meeting you.
Yeah, same here. Just spread that message also that don't eat these things. In my case, it's not regarding spiritual or religious thing. I love animals so much. So one day I had in my mind like for a few years. Then one morning I just told my mother just from today I'm not going to eat any non-veg because the kind of feeling I was having that I love animals so much and I'm having them. So it's kind of a hypocrite that I was doing. So I just loved it that you also are vegetarian. It's wonderful. Thank you for that. Thank you for that. It's like एक बूंद बूंद पानी से सागर बनते हैं. So lot of people say that.
बिल्कुल.
Lot of people say that मतलब आप नहीं खा रहे हो तो क्या हो रहा है? बाकी के लोग तो खा रहे. So my answer is okay. I am doing my bit. So that one fish is not going to die for me, or that is enough. So wonderful.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah. So what else you want to tell about positivity and how to make your mind positive? And definitely you do meditation.
Yes, definitely. Meditation is the must.
How meditation works on your body and your mind. Just tell that.
Actually, I prefer to make the body as well as mind relax. So we do the relaxation first, right from the toe to the head till the head. We relax each and every part of the body. and then we do the meditation, and then we visualize also. In that meditation only we visualize the dream, and then it is really successful. Because meditation, if we are connected to God, then only the things happen, the things fall at the right place. So meditation is a part of the law of attraction.
Religion and spirituality. How you do you have what kind of ideas about these two terms, religious hona and spiritual hona?
Spiritual.
So yeah, so is there any connection between these two? Because I have seen so many people. According to me, those people are not spiritual, but they are religious. So what is your take on that?
I feel that being spiritual is much, much, much better, because somewhere being religious is just confined to your own religion.
Yeah.
Okay, but the spiritual persons are really connected to the universe, to the Almighty, to the God. And religious persons are connected to only their own religion, and they are bound to their own religion. So I think being spiritual is much more powerful. My daughter is, my younger daughter is spiritual, and my elder daughter is religious.
Okay.
But what I feel is that she is so very connected. The younger daughter is so very connected that she will say, "Hi God, bye God, I want this, I want that,"
Like a
just
friend.
like a friend. Yeah, and the religious one is keep on doing the prayers and keep on enchanting the God's name. Still, she is also in her own way. She is also good. But I feel the spiritual persons are they can connect to the God at anywhere, at any place, at any time.
Fearlessly. What I feel is it
Yeah.
should not be God fearing, it should be God loving. ना
Yes, yes.
या
Yes, yes.
मुझे ऐसा ही लगता है बिकॉज गॉड फियरिंग
हाँ, बिल्कुल
कोई मतलब फियर और प्यार के बीच में इट्स अ हेल एंड
फर्क है.
डिफरेंस नहीं ना तो मतलब यू
हाँ जी.
लव समवन दैट पर्सन इज सो क्लोज टू यू इफ यू फियर समवन
Yes.
so away that you can touch, you can reach to that person. Wonderful.
Yes, yes.
So it's lovely talking to you because so many things are so similar between us.
Yes, yes.
We
We
are
will keep in touch,
yeah,
Barnali.
definitely. And I would love to have you again on my show.
Oh,
I
sure,
hope
sure,
you will be coming also. So that was wonderful
sure.
talking to you. And yeah, at last, what you want to tell to the viewers and everybody?
That see, nowadays everybody is going in depression,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Because of some or the other thing. But but the main thing is to come out of that depression as soon as possible. This is the power, okay? And you should have that power. You should attain that power by meditating. Start from the meditation. At least 5 minutes in a day, you start meditating. Start self-talking with yourself. You can talk to yourself with positive thoughts, and then you can come out of those negative thoughts, and you can remain positive throughout the day by keep on doing the self-talk regularly after some intervals. So that is the must. And meditation, one should start with early in the morning, at least for 5 minutes. Start from 5 minutes, then you can extend it to half an hour, and it is an amazing journey. Then you can attract each and everything with just by a single thought. You don't have to keep on doing it for 21 days also. You have to just keep a thought, single thought, and it will be fulfilled if you are connected to that Almighty.
Yes, so precious. So thanks a lot for coming here and have a wonderful day
My
today. Have a
pleasure.
wonderful life ahead and we will be talking again on the show and we will be in touch. Okay then?
Thank you so much, Bernali. Same here. Very nice talking to you. I enjoyed it, and you are so very beautiful.
Oh, as you
Yeah.
are you basically Punjaban are always beautiful. You're also very beautiful.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye-bye. And see
Bye
you
bye. See you.
soon.
Bye bye. Okay. Bye bye.